my name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I get this kind of an eyebrow, starting from this, then stay tuned and I'll show you how I've been doing my eyebrows lately. Check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Refy Brow Gel. I just picked this one up probably about a month and a half ago, and it's been my favorite go-to. Kind of has like a white consistency, so yeah, you really got to work it into your brows, but as you guys can see, I have like none. So what I do is kind of brush it through. I kind of brush back like this to like puff them up. I just was never blessed with eyebrows, really. I mean, I don't think the 90s helped, but at the same time, I was never gonna have beautiful brows. This little container also has a little brush and a little comb. So I actually use the little brush side and then I kind of brush them upward to make them seem bigger. As you guys can tell, it's definitely refined. So my brows obviously aren't that big, but that not only lifts, like you can see this brow looks higher than this one, it's a lot better, but also just kind of mats them down to my skin. But in time, they kind of let go, so they don't look so flat, but I like to flatten them with my finger like this. Like as flat as I can get them, because later they will let go. So after I do that, this I just started doing. I got the tattoo liner from the Kat Von D line, Shake Well. This is called Mad Max Brown. So they also make a black one, but obviously for brows, like I feel like this brown is so dark, so it looks good. And it has a fine point like that, so I draw in essentially eyebrow hairs. You guys can see where my brows were tattooed before, so I kind of start where there aren't any and I draw them in like that, like really easy breezy. I don't push very hard, and then I go to the front and just kind of draw up to give that fluff effect. See, they're already looking so much better. And you can go in if you have like any spots or missing hairs anywhere and just kind of gently feather it in like so. So if you have no brows and you've been wondering how you can get those cute fluffy brows that girls be wearing, this is how. And lastly, I go in with any brow powder. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just go in and kind of feather in more, kind of smooth it in and give it sort of a soft effect, and just to kind of fill in whatever is left. I sort of line the bottom to make it nicer, and then I feather in some more hairs in the back. So that is it. That is the difference right there. That is how I've been doing my brows, and it's super easy. It doesn't take me long, obviously. As you guys can tell, it's been the best, easiest brows I've ever done. I have never gotten compliments on my brows in my life, so this is the first time ever. People are like, oh my god, I love your eyebrows. And I'm like, thank you, because I have had the worst brows my whole life. I mean, I definitely have the chola brows. I did all the things. And I'm not sad about it, you know, like goth brows. I've shaved my eyebrows, drawn them in. I've done it all. And I just wanted pretty fluffy brows, and I knew I could never have that. Never. Unless like implanted hair, which is impossible, I think. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for joining me. I'm in St. Louis still, flying to Detroit tonight, and yeah, I've been having fun making these videos for you guys, because I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm just in my hotel room. I'm not gonna go explore because I'm by myself in a city that I'm not as familiar with, so sometimes I do go explore a little bit, but I'm working so much that I'm actually tired, so I'd rather sit in my room and make these videos for you guys than go somewhere. And I've been to all these cities before on tour anyway, so it's one of those things where I get to do me and take that extra, you know, half hour to an hour and record a video, and then yeah, chill in my room, text with my husband, my kids. Sometimes I play video games with my kids while I'm on tour. These are the things I do In case you guys are curious about my life, now you know. Thanks for joining me. If you've been here before, I appreciate you so much. You guys do not know. I've been doing this so long now, like it's kind of crazy to think about that, where I started to where I'm at. And I've been wanting to make more videos, so I feel like I'm back in a groove. We'll see what happens. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. Don't be mad at me. I appreciate you all. And if you're new, nice to meet you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the notifications button. That way you'll see when I post new videos, especially because lately they've been kind of sporadic, okay? Hopefully I can get back on a schedule again soon. Thanks everyone, bye!